me show you what I'm doing today. So my pool, sorry, the traffic on the street behind me, is being repaired by no other than me, myself. So, we had the pool recently acid washed. We actually did it. Emptied the pool, pressure washed it. All this stuff in the bottom of the pool are leaves and, oh shoot, it's from these big oak trees. They make a mess in my pool. So let me show you what I'm doing today. I just got to be careful because I don't want to break my neck getting down in this pool. Okay, so the Arizona sun causes a lot of damage to pools. This one's actually been in the ground for nearly 20 years. It has been 20 years. So, you notice I'm having some peeling here on the deck that I am repairing. And it's tedious work, but it's starting to set up. So I am repairing that. And then I will paint it. I have to paint this pool deck here. I paint this about every 2 years. So I'm trying to get this repaired so I can get it painted. And then over here, now luckily I don't have any structural cracks, what they call, in the pool. I don't lose water. This is calcium deposit on the pool, this edge here. So we've got most of it off. And that's just hard work. It's a matter of scraping it. Now over here, these are the rolled edge on the Pebble Tech. Very common. This happens. And they don't really affect, you don't lose water or anything, but they just look nasty. So they're all getting patched up. So these cracks here on the rolled edge of the pool, I'm repairing those. And actually, they need to be, what they do is they cut the edge of this off, put a new rolled edge, and Pebble Tech it, I guess you would say. But I'm not going to do that since I'm not staying. And like I say, the swimming pool is structurally sound. I don't have any leaks. It's just kind of a mess, but I'm really pleased with the way this edge is coming out. It's hot. We've already hit the 90s in Arizona. So I'm working on this today. My daughter Sarah was here helping. And after let me get out of this pool. So weird being in an empty pool. So after I get all of this repaired, then it will be time to paint the pool deck. And then I will, I put a clear coat surface on this part. So that's what I'm doing. Fun, fun, fun in the sun, sun, sun. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.